What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Bitrix24 CRM. Bitrix24 is an all-in-one CRM platform that empowers businesses to streamline their sales, marketing, and customer service operations. With its comprehensive suite of tools and features, Bitrix24 helps organizations efficiently manage leads, automate workflows, and deliver exceptional customer experience. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Streamlined sales management. Bitrix24's sales management tools provide a comprehensive solution for managing your sales pipeline. With customizable deal stages and pipelines, you can tailor the CRM to match your unique sales process. Automated deal progression rules help your team work more efficient by automatically moving deals through the sales funnel based on predefined criteria. Granular access controls allow you to manage permissions, ensuring that each user has the appropriate level of access to deals and contacts. Custom deal views with specialized fields make it easy to track the information most relevant to your business, while linked contacts and deals provides flexibility in managing complex sales scenarios. Powerful marketing automation. Bitrix24's marketing automation tools help you engage with leads and customers more effectively. Automated SMS and email notifications can be set up to send messages at key points in the customer's journey, such as order confirmations or payment receipts. The integrated telephony capabilities allow your team to make and receive calls directly from the CRM without the need for additional equipment. The visual, no-code landing page builder makes it simple to create mobile-responsive, conversation-optimized pages to generate new leads, which are fully integrated with the CRM. Custom web forms and live chat can be added to these landing pages, automatically turning submissions into new leads or deals within the CRM. Comprehensive analytics and reporting. Bitrix24 provides a wide range of pre-built reports and dashboards to help you track key sales metrics such as pipeline performance, employee productivity, and revenue forecasts. The BI capabilities enable you to create custom reports and visualizations to gain deeper insights into your sales data and make more informed business decisions. Automated notifications can be configured to alert your team based on predefined triggers such as deal stage changes or sales targets, ensuring that everyone stays informed and on track. Mobile CRM for on-the-go productivity. Bitrix24's mobile apps for iOS and Android allow your sales team to access and manage CRM data on the go, ensuring they always have the information they need at their fingertips. The app provides online functionality, enabling your team to continue working even when they don't have an internet connection. Streamlined sales processes such as call logging, lead creation, and deal management help your sales team stay productive and responsive while on the move. AI-powered tools for enhanced efficiency. Bitrix24's Copilot AI assistant can help your team with a variety of tasks such as generating marketing content, transcribing phone calls, and providing sales forecasting insights, all directly within the CRM. The automated idea generation feature can help your team come up with new ideas for special offers, promotions, and other marketing initiatives, saving time and sparking creativity. Copilot's automated call transcription capabilities save the transcript directly to the relevant CRM records for future references, ensuring that important conversations are never lost. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Bitrix24 is a comprehensive CRM platform with a wide range of features and capabilities. While this breadth of functionality can be beneficial for larger organizations with complex needs, it may be overkill for smaller businesses. The extensive customization options and learning curve associated with mastering all of Bitrix24's features could be a deterrent for some small business owners who are looking for a more streamlined and user-friendly CRM solution. Bitrix24 is designed to be a centralized platform that encompasses a variety of business functions from sales and marketing to project management and HR. While this integration can be a significant advantage, it may also present challenges for businesses that already have established workflows and tools in place. Integrating Bitrix24 with existing systems such as accounting software or third-party marketing platforms may require significant time and resources, which could be a barrier for some organizations. Bitrix24 offers a range of pricing plans from a free version with limited features to enterprise-level solutions. While the free plan can be an attractive option for small businesses, the pricing for the more comprehensive plans may be a deterrent for some organizations, especially those with tight budgets. Additionally, the pricing structure can be complex with various add-ons and features that may be required to meet specific business needs, making it challenging for some users to determine the most cost-effective plan for their requirements. Bitrix24 is a powerful CRM platform that offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help businesses streamline their sales, marketing, and customer service operations. While it may not be the best fit for every organization due to its complexity, integration challenges, and pricing structure, Bitrix24's extensive features and AI-powered capabilities make it a compelling choice for businesses looking to optimize their customer relationship management process. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.